The Endostar E3 Small is a modern system of nickel titanium rotary files commonly used for root canal treatment. The system is suitable for very narrow and curved canals. The Endostar E3 Small is an add-on set to the Endostar E3 Basic rotary system. It requires initial preparation with the Endostar E3 Basic system files. This set consists of 3 instruments in sizes reflecting ISO standards. Files taper are 6 and 4. File number 1. The tip size reflects 20 according to ISO standards. Taper 6. Instrument length 25 mm. File number 2. The tip size reflects 25 according to ISO standards. Taper 4. Instrument length 25 mm. File number 3. The tip size reflects 20 according to ISO standards. Taper 4. Instrument length 25 mm. The table presents recommended torque when using the Endostar E3 Small Apical rotary system. The Endostar E3 rotary system files can be used with all endodontic handpieces with rotary speeds from 150 to 300 RPM. The presented parameters are to be considered as guidance values. The operator should choose parameters that are as close as possible, depending on the possibilities of the equipment available in the office. Step by step. Prepare the canal to the working length with hand instruments of minimum size 20. In narrow canals, start with the Endostar E3 Basic. Prepare the orifice with file number 1 from Endostar E3 Basic until you feel slight resistance. Do not insert the file into the curvature of the canal. Then start working with file number 2 of the Endostar E3 Basic to 1 second's working length. Make up and down movements. With file number 3 from Endostar E3 Basic, try to prepare another few millimeters of the canal. If the file will not enter, do not force it. Finish the preparation with the Endostar E3 Basic set and continue with Endostar E3 Small. With file number 1 from the Endostar E3 Small set, prepare the canal a few millimeters deeper. Do not press the file too much. Take file number 2 from the Endostar E3 Small set and continue preparation. Work approximately 2 millimeters shorter than working length. Then, with file number 3 from the Endostar E3 Small set, prepare the canal to its full working length. The size of file number 3 allows for the treatment of very narrow and curved canals. Next, go back to file number 2 from the Endostar E3 Small set. Insert this file to its full working length. After checking the width of the apex with a nickel titanium hand file, consider widening the canal with file number 3 from the Endostar E3 Basic set. In very curved canals, skip this step and finish the preparation with file size 25 taper 4. The canal is prepared to size 25 taper 4. Manufacturer recommendations. Do not use too much force using files, especially in curved canals. It is recommended to flush the canal after each use of the file. In simple and slightly curved canals, use Endostar E3 Basic. In anatomically wide canals, use Endostar E3 Big Apical. For further information, please refer to the website www.e3.endostar.eu.